Today we will talk about the installation of the A-Pillar Light Bracket. Then the installation of the A-Pillar Light Bracket is relatively simple. Then just remove the main body. Then take out the connecting block. Then, when you take out the connecting block, after assembling it, it will be relatively smooth. Then take out our black screw, the small black M8x8 screw, and then use these two holes. Use this small black screw to screw it on. And it's done. Then we install the bottom. For the bottom, first there is a vacant position here. Insert it. From the back, insert the white M8. M4x12 slightly longer white screw. And install the smaller screw. Then tighten it a little bit. Just from this position. And install them. Just install these two M4x12 screws. These are also the only two white screws. When installing the lamp bracket, you also need to remove these two original screw holes. After removing this hole, align with the holes on the light board. Then these two holes can be used with the original screw holes. Original screws, or the ones we provide. Flathead screws. Then don't tighten all the screws. If you tighten them, it will be difficult to install. Then tighten all the screws after installation. One detail is that if you bought the 3-pin version, a friend, you need to connect the middle part. The middle connecting block to connect with our pedal line. That's it. First, use an M6x16 countersunk screw and tighten it directly. After installation, there are some screws left. You will see some small screws left. And then the small screws are behind this. Are used to install the wire clip on the back. These screws are for the wire clamp. Then, there is a screw wrapped in paper. The screw wrapped in paper is a screw that fixes the main body of the lamp. It is fixed in this position. It can also be fixed on the two relatively large fixed holes, which are the screws in this position or this position. And then there is the largest screw, an M8x12 screw.